Welcome back to the channel, where brain battles for glory. This is Brain Clash. Only 5% can make it to the end without second guessing. Ready to prove your taste? Let's play! Would you rather fast sports car or big luxury house? Speed or space? What's your vibe?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather gold diamond ring or silver luxury watch? Bling or time? What shines more?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather private beach villa or luxury hotel suite? Sand between toes or room service goals?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather fast private jet or big luxury yacht? Sky high or sea fly? What's cooler?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather VIP red carpet or backstage music pass? Pose for pics or party with stars?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather luxury spa day or private golf course? Relax or flex? What's your style?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather designer fashion show or luxury jewelry box? Strut it or stash it? What's better?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather big cash prize or luxury travel package? Rich or wanderlust, what's your dream?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can't decide? The next one's even harder. Let's see what you pick. Would you rather private chef dinner or private assistant? Fine dine or extra help? What's more valuable?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather fast luxury car or big luxury house? Vroom or room? What's your pick?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather VIP sports event or luxury concert tickets? Cheer loud or sing proud? What's more fun?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather private island getaway or luxury hotel stay? Full island or fancy suite? Who wins?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Loving the choices so far? Wait till you see what's next. Would you rather gold luxury phone or silver luxury laptop? Call or click? What's more slick?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather luxury fashion store or private art gallery? Wear it or stare at it? What's cooler?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather fast private boat or big luxury plane? Waves or clouds? What's your ride?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather VIP music festival or luxury food festival? Dance or devour? What's the vibe?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather private fitness trainer or luxury spa treatment? Sweat or soak? What's your cure?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather big luxury bed or private home theater? Snooze or movies? What's comfier?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather luxury travel bag or private jet flight? Pack it or fly it? What's more, luxe?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Would you rather VIP red carpet or luxury fashion show? Walk it or watch it? What's more iconic?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Which luxury pick shocked you the most? Drop your answers in the comments. I'm reading them all. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out latest videos on my channel.